As someone who has a business, a team that works together, this app helped me so much. Why? Guys, this is Miro app, and 100% yes, it helps me a lot because, again, guys, I'll be introducing to you this app. It is an online collaborative whiteboard platform. It's big whiteboard platform, guys. In simple terms, Miro app is like a giant digital Canva. Have you imagined that? Because we can't do that in physical. Yes, we can do that in physical. We can't expand our whiteboard, but here and online we can do that. Okay, so where you and your team can brainstorm, plan, organize ideas together, and even it creates your vision for your business or works and company. So guys, no matter where you are, you can share the your no matter where you are, you can share your, what you call this, your vision or your ideas. Okay, it is especially useful now since we have a lot of work and learnings happens online. So Miro works as an interactive whiteboard. So in simple terms, you can create boards where you add sticky notes, flow charts, diagrams, images, and even documents. It's very flexible, guys. Think of it as a space where all your thoughts and projects can come to life. So, kung ayaw mo mawala yung idea, so you can write it down there para makita lahat ng grupo mo. Ganun siya. So, and the best part is meron siyang multiple people that can work at the same time. That can work the same board at the same time. So, pwede mong i-invite ang lahat ng friends mo, even a community, to gather thoughts. Ganon. So, you can actually see your teammates there, moving around. Pwede din sila doon mag-add ng notes. Hindi lang sila viewers. Sila din yung editors, okay? Pwede sila mag-edit ng content, just like in Google Docs. Pero sa Google Docs kasi, limited lang yung size. So, pang typewriting lang talaga siya. Ito, mas creative siya, mas collaborative, and guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung features ni Miro. So, dito, madali lang naman mag-sign in. Nilagay ko lang dito yung aking Google account. And automatically, pwede ka nang mag-explore dito sa page. And as you can see, meron na akong ginawang vision board dito na pwedeng makita ng mga kagrupo ko. I will just add them, or I can press present or share the link to my friends para makapag-add na sila. Basta, dinownload din nila yung app. So, tignan nyo guys yung gagawin ko ha, kung paano ko sila na-add. So basically, more on sticky notes siya, but I'm a visual person, so nilagyan ko na rin siya ng mga pictures dito, and I will explain it to you guys kung ano-ano yung mga purpose, kung bakit ko nalalagyan ng picture yan. So dito, kung nalagay ko dito, I want 50 sales disbursements per month. Lalagay ko dito yung mga mindset na gusto kong laging ina-apply ng team namin. So, ano pang pwede ko ilagay dito? Opportunities for expansion are everywhere. So, mahalaga yan sa business na lagi nyong nire-remind yung sarili nyo na ang opportunities ay laging nandyan. Kung may, lagi naman kasi tayong pinapanghinaan ng loob. So, it is important na makita to ng mga teammates natin, ng marketing team natin, and Ito, words of affirmation din. Maglagay tayo. Ayan, pwede pa natin siyang lakihan. Ay, diba? Kung ito maliit, ito pwedeng lakihan. Okay, so add pa tayo. Kung gusto nyo mag-add ng sticky notes, just press here. And lalabas na kung anong color ang gusto nyo. Next is, ayan, ito namang color. So, press nyo lang to kung saan yung gustong ilagay. Okay, lagay natin success is already mine. Mine na agad. I just keep working for it. I-bold text lang natin siya para mas maaninaw pa siya ng ating team. Diba? That is our mantra in our business. So, kailangan nakikita yan dyan. So, explain ko na dito kung bakit ko siya pinaglalagay. And bago ko i-explain yon, syempre, papakita ko muna sa inyo kung gaano kalaki itong mirror up na to. I will zoom out. Dito ang ipipress. Pag zoom out, tignan nyo guys, sobrang laki. Diba? Ayan. Ayan yung limit niya. Okay, meron pa tayo dito first board. Pwede ka pa mag second board, diba? Ito yung first board natin. Ayan. Nasa-zoom in, nasa-zoom out, diba? Sobrang lawak niya. So, pwede ka gumawa ng concept map dito, ng mga diagram. Ito, perfect na perfect talaga siya, guys. So, kaya ko siya, ginawa muna siyang vision board. Kasi madami tayong gusto sa ating business. Unang-una na dyan is magkaroon tayo ng maluwag na pwesto. Ayan, yung mas comfortable, hindi na yung sa kwarto lang. Is meron talaga tayong store na gustong mangyari. And we want na magka 2,000 followers tayo bago mag-end yung ating yung ating taon, okay? So, progress not perfection, tama yan. Yung Chanel, wala pa rin tayong Chanel. We hope na magkaroon tayo, wala pa tayong Coach. Little House of Bunny, wala pa tayo niyan. So, sa Thailand to, hopefully, sana makapunta tayong Thailand para magkaroon tayo ng ganitong brand. And Louis Vuitton, wala pa tayo. And the Loewe, grabe to guys. Ito yung pinakamataas din na brand, na luxury brand. Ayan. Ito, syempre, ang goal natin sa business is to gain more profit. And syempre, sana magkaroon tayo ng iPhone para may maganda tayong setup pang live. Okay, Rolex din. Ayan, super gaganda ng mga brand na gusto nating ma-achieve. And kailangan din natin syempre ng CCTV. Sana ma-afford na natin magkaroon ng CCTV sa ating store. Yun guys, so kung ano pa ang gusto nyong i-add dito, is makakapag-add din yung iba nating members. So, alam din natin yung patutunguhan ng business natin. Nakita nyo naman guys kung gaano kalawak yung ating Miro app. Okay, so some of the key features there include the ready-made templates. Hindi lang ako gumamit ng templates because I want it to be natural and original guys. And for brainstorming, pwedeng-pwede talaga siya. As I've said earlier, project planning, mind mapping, and even agile workflow. So, you can also use tools like timers, voting, and syempre pwede din dun mag-comments to make a meeting. Bakit mo yun nilagay? So, ayun, mas maiintindihan and mas may elaborate mo sa team mo kung bakit yun. So, syempre, Miro integrates with apps like, pwede siyang sa Slack, Microsoft Teams, o saan pa sa Google Drive, para mo siyang ipasa sa Google Drive, and Zoom. So, it easily fits into your workflow. Kung wari na-hack ka, so, pwede pa siyang ma-revive. Kaganda si Miro app. Kahit na-hack yung account mo, basta na-save pa siya sa mga teammates mo is goods na goods lang, na-revive pa rin siya. Pwede to syempre guys, hindi lang sa business. Whether you're in school, working on a creative project, saan pa, kumara sa mga companies, pwede siya. It adapts kasi what you need. And Miro is widely used for teams, meetings, ganyan. Workshop, pwede siya. So, for business, it helps talaga guys to stay organized, aligned, and everyone is working remotely. Okay, kung lahat naman tayo is gustong mag-work ng remote work. Ibig sabihin ng remote work, nadadala mo yung work mo kahit saan ka pa. Ganun siya. So, kumikita ka kahit nasaan ka, di ba? So, ano pa? Grabe guys, masasabi ko, Miro is a powerful tool for creative and collaboration. Kasi it helps teams as individuals brainstorm, plan, and work together seamlessly anytime and anywhere. If you're looking for a way to make your team work, makes dream works, grabe, more creative, more fun, then Miro is definitely worth exploring. And I thank you.